My cousin got his tractor stuck and needed some help. I'm like, no problem. 3 minutes later, the Duramax was bottomed out. A real-world test for my 12K Badland Winch from Hobar Freight. Would call it hold my beer moment.
You got it up on the
Knowing
ground,
if his tractor got stuck. My big ass heavy ass truck, not gonna get down in there.
Don't Chuck.
I know that tune sounds sweet with that 4-inch stainless steel exhaust. $12K Badland Winch from Hobar Freight. 4 stars. With wireless remote. Lots of damage done to my LED's lights. Low blow and only one wheel light works now. And his wife is very mad about her yard. Tractor still stuck. For more videos, please like and subscribe.